name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an arrangement with sunflowers. You're going to need a vase and some sunflowers. The first thing I did is I have an empty brandy bottle. I took off the labels and I'm going to use it as my vase. The next thing we'll do is to measure it. You're going to measure it where you want it to lay. Get yourself a marker and mark it. As you can see, I marked it. Now I'll cut it. Now we will get to put the flowers into the jar. I try to get the taller ones in back and the shorter ones in front. Like that. Now I'll show you how the arrangement is. This is what it looks like when it's finished. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Our social media links in the description. Thanks for watching.